Okay, there's sort of two big O-ring things that were inside the bottom of the exhaust manifold. Try and get this other one out. Have to replace them. One was very loose, this one's a lot tighter. Get that one out too. Here's this bolt that will not budge. Cutting it here along that bolt. Got it. Got it, it's spinning. Bastard bolt. Finally got it off, but it sheared the stud because of the force. There you go, finally. So I've got to take that stud out. And on the other side, there is another sheared stud. So I've made the stud square to be able to get some grips on. My only issue is I can't get these studs out at all. I've tried everything. Tried grinding it, using adjustables, hammering on smaller bits, grips, heat, everything, and this will not turn. Sprayed the rocker cover with high heat black spray. There you go. Time to put it in the oven. I've got to put this in the oven to cure it. Now I think it's cured, I think. Although it does still feel a bit rough. It needs to be put on the end.